In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best tabletop fire pits in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. Featuring a unique design, the Bond Manufacturing Table Fire Bowl will instantly elevate any space. Made from alloy steel, this fire bowl is not only durable but also very versatile. Plus, the brushed finish of the fire bowl further adds to its durability. In addition to its great design, this unit is also very efficient at keeping its surroundings warm, providing 10,000 BTUs of heat. What's more, this fire bowl features decorative, amber-colored beads that help emit warmth for a long period of time. Extremely lightweight, this fire pit weighs only 5 pounds. Thanks to its versatility, this tabletop fire bowl can be used both indoors and outdoors. Number 4. Featuring an eye-catching geometric design, the Terraflame Tabletop Fire Bowl is an excellent addition to any indoor or outdoor space. With a compact size that can easily fit on any tabletop, this tabletop fire pit has been designed specifically for clean burning and smoke-free flames. Plus, while burning, it creates red, campfire-like crackling sounds. Made from hand-cast sustainable concrete, this fire bowl is very durable and sturdy, and is sure to add a stylish vibe to its surroundings. Since this unit is food safe, you can use it to warm marshmallows to prepare delicious s'mores. Lastly, it comes at a reasonable price. Number 3. Large size and stately design make the Uniflame Endless Summer LP Gas Outdoor Fire Column an excellent choice for those looking for a large tabletop fire pit. Measuring 11 inches long by 11 inches wide by 15 inches tall, this fire pit features a column-style design that makes it suitable for use on a dining or patio table as a striking tabletop fireplace, or placed on the ground as a small standalone fire pit. Powered by a propane tank, not included, this fire column is intended for outdoor use only. It features a rustic faux stone finish with a large decorative base that conceals a spot for a 1-pound propane tank inside. Because of its larger size, this fire pit puts out a pretty significant amount of heat. It is a 10,000 BTU stainless steel burner, so it can double as an outdoor heat source. Number 2. Next up is the Terraflame Tabletop Fire Bowl. It's made entirely out of polished stone, with small pebbles inside that make it look even more unique, especially when the fire's lit. This tabletop fire pit burns for up to 3 hours, so it's ideal if you're hosting an all-day family gathering. Our favorite feature is that this fire pit comes with its very own specially designed fuel that crackles to imitate the sound of an actual bonfire. How cool! With a diameter of 11 inches, this tabletop fire pit is small enough to fit almost any center table, and its short, 5-inch height won't be too intrusive during late-night conversations. This unique tabletop fire pit bowl is available in beige, graphite, pewter, seafoam, and white, which means you can easily order a color that will perfectly match your decor. Number 1. If you're looking for a tabletop fire bowl that is not only functional but also very stylish, then we recommend the Coleman Tabletop Outdoor Fire Pit. Featuring a minimalist design, this fire bowl is fueled by odor-free, ashless rubbing alcohol. Thanks to its portable design, it can be easily transferred from one place to another. Along with helping you stay warm, this fireplace also brightens up any room or setting where it's placed. Extremely easy to use and maintain, you can easily light and extinguish this fire pit's fire. Plus, it's easy to clean. Depending on your climate and the outdoor temperature, the flame lasts for nearly 40 to 50 minutes. Thanks to its versatile design, this tabletop fireplace can be used both indoors and outdoors, making it our best overall choice. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.